Hello, this is Vivian. You're welcome to my channel. If you're new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button. Okay, so today I want to show you how to use a bias to hem your flare properly. Okay, you can hem your flare, armhole, neckline, your dress with a bias, and it will come out very beautifully and very neat. Okay, so this is my bias tape and I'll be using it to hem this flare. Okay, so this is flare. Now I would just place my bias. The bias has two sides. This is the right side of my fabric, and also have, this is my bias. This side is folded, you can see. Then this other side, this is the right side. So this right side of the bias, I'll place it on the right side of my fabric. So I'll just spread it open like so. Then I'll place it on my fabric like so. So now I will sew. Okay, so you can see this folded line, so I will sew on it. So this is what I'll do. Then after sewing, by the time we turn it, we'll have it like this on the other side of the fabric. Okay, so we'll then sew on it also. That is it. So now I will take it to my machine. Okay, so just arrange it neatly like I said. Then I'll place it here. Then I'll start sewing. So remember I said you sew on the folded line, on that line. Okay, on the line shown there. So this is it. You start sewing, and as you sew, you have to arrange it. That is, as you sew, you keep arranging it, making sure that it is aligned. The fabric and the bias tape are aligned. So just keep sewing. As I sew, I would put it in place, just arrange it. So you can see what I'm doing. Just so you arrange it, because this is a flare and the bias tape is also a straight tape. So you just sew and you arrange it so that it would align. So you can see what I'm doing here, making sure that it is aligned. So I'll continue to sew. Just keep sewing until you get to the end. So this is it. So you just arrange it. Okay. So you can see this. So I'll just continue sewing until I get to my starting point. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so now I'm almost done. So just see what I'll do. I'll place this one on this like so. Then I'll sew on it. Okay, so you can see I'll just sew on it, and now I'll cut out my bias tape. So this little one remaining, I'll just sew it on this other one like so. So this is it. Okay, so we have this. We are done with one part of the bias. So you can see what we have here. Okay, you can see it neatly sewn. So now we'll have to turn it. So we'll have to turn the bias so that we can sew it to the other side of the fabric. So you can see the way I'm folding it. Now you turn your fabric. Okay, so you just arrange it. You arrange it and you fold it down. Just fold it like so. So this is it. So now I'll sew on the bias tape. So just arrange it, and you just fold from the side. You just fold it, okay, from that initial sewing. Just bend it from there and you start sewing. Just fold it from there and start sewing. So you can see what I'm doing. You can see the way I'm arranging it. So you arrange and you sew. You just fold it in like so, and you sew on the bias. So when you're sewing on the bias, you sew at the edge of the bias, okay? You just follow it the way it is. So you fold and you sew. You can see this. You can see this, okay? You can see how neat it is. See the other side. So you just fold and you sew. So this is it. Just keep sewing. As you sew, you fold. So here I am. I've done sewing, and this is what we have. You can see I'm cutting out my thread, and this is our well hemmed flay. So you can see how easy it is and beautiful, okay, to use your bias tape to hem. This is beautiful. So this is just it. This is it. You can see the other side of it. So when doing this, you use a matching bias, okay? So you use a matching bias, and this is it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this tutorial has been of help. Please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell to get other videos from me. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to share this video with your friends. See you in my next video. Bye.